Alright, this 26th of July on a Tuesday, time now 6:13 p.m. in Singapore. My name is Dylan. Welcome to my on-the-spot trading analysis video. Alright, just gonna go through a few pair. Today is we are actually seeing a little bit of change in the market movement for today as compared to last week. Let's talk about the dollar against the Swiss franc. Now, in the 4-hourly chart, we have seen that the price has been appreciating within a probable rising trend channel, or if it's a rising trend channel, we have 2 points here. All right, so and however, right now we are seeing that the price is breaking below that, coming back to the top of the major falling trend channel that we can see in the day one chart, which has broken above as well. Now, the only concern I have is that if we are talking about this high itself, it is pretty much connected well. There is a possibility that it can go down pretty much further, but however, on the fundamental level itself, we do understand that the dollar is most likely to strengthen further, but because we might probably because we are waiting for FOMC statement, that some take profit here and there as a risk of trade closing, taking profit and stuff like that. So probably that's why we are seeing the dollar is kind of weakening in the sense, or rather it's not strengthening as much. In any case, I'm always looking at the bigger picture, the bigger time frame. So the 4-hourly charts still tells me that the price is still on the uptrend. All right, so just in case if you're always looking at the 15-minute chart, you thought that it's actually a reversal of the trend, I don't think so, or at least as of now, this I wouldn't say that there's any trend of trend right now, and all we will see is that it has been moving in a sideways range consolidation. It just recently decided to go down further as a major retracement, I would put it that way, and we have seen that it got supported at the top of the major falling trend channel. And right now it has rebounded off, beginning to appreciate again. If we look at this, total of 38 pips from down here to here, 29, about 10 pips or so, but it has exhausted from here. Alright, and if you took this compared to this, that's exactly 20 to 20 pips. So this might be the a signal, the first signal that the retracement has completed or has exhausted, and the price may resume appreciation from here. All right, but at least that's what I hope as well. And technically itself, that makes sense. All right, so if you are looking to buy the dollar, right, pairs like dollar against Swiss franc, dollar against Japanese yen. Now dollar against Japanese yen we'll put aside for now, but any currencies against dollar, and if you're looking to buy the dollar, then this would be a good time. All right, so I still have a lot of trades running for the dollar against Swiss franc. Not going to make any changes to it. Stop loss wise, I have set it. It's due to this 38. I added about 20 pips, so that should be about somewhere right here, 98.03. If you want to know where's my stop loss, you will see a lot of magic candles right here. In any case, it is still supported at 0.8842. Right, a very good chance to go for the buy. Alright, next let's talk about dollar yen. Yes, we've seen that the dollar against Japanese yen has fallen pretty much. Alright, that's because the Bank of Japan, along the line of not going to use anything like helicopter money. If you're wondering what's helicopter money, I'm not going to explain right here. You just go and Google it. Basically that itself has dampened the bets for additional stimulus and stuff like that, or any forms of real stimulus, so that actually causes the yen to strengthen in that manner, and that's why we are seeing that the price came all the way down here. And we can see that in the 1-hourly chart it is actually falling within it. Falling trend channel has broken a little bit below it, so that signals that the yen may continue to strengthen further. But if you are looking to sell, of course I would not recommend you to sell at this point right now, since we are entering into the US market hours. And we are looking at strengthening dollar, so maybe not at this point of movement, or you may want to look at it maybe in the morning tomorrow. And I'm expecting the price to start to make retracement, consolidation upwards before it really starts to fall again. All right, so I'll be observing it, and I'll make decision again, but unlikely to make any decision anyway, because I'm still really bullish on dollar. We still have FOMC statement on Thursday 2 a.m. itself. All right, if I'm not wrong, times 2 a.m. You might just want to double confirm it. All right, so that's pretty much for dollar, yen, and euro dollar. All right, interestingly, it has broken above a major falling trend line. I wouldn't say really major, but a significant trend line itself. There has been price has been resisted, falling and stuff like that, but we have to understand it got supported at a key support level at 1.0963. therefore it's just pretty much going on a major retracement. All right, and we also do have to know that the price has yet to reach the top of the major falling trend channel, but in any case, this channel itself is more or less a little bit broken, so it may not go all the way back to here before it really resumes depreciation all the way and break new low, but rather we can always look at this as a bigger retracement. So we'll take note of this level at 1.10411. all right, so in fact, into the smaller time frame, the 1 hourly charts, we are already seeing exhaustion in this retracement, and we have seen that the price has been moving on a downward consolidation, a little bit higher, and we are seeing exhaustion right now. If the price were to start to fall further, then that might be a good chance for you to go for the sell. And if you're just wondering if you might just retrace even further, then why not just set about 55 pips plus about 20 pips to 30 pips of stop loss, to set a stop loss at 1.1079. I thought that would be a very good stop loss to set if you are looking to sell at this point and you're afraid that it might just retrace even further. All right, so that is for the euro against the US dollar. All right, let's talk a little bit about Aussie against the US dollar. Now, we do expect that the Reserve Bank of Australia is going to cut interest rates in August, so we're coming to August very soon, and just now, somewhere in the afternoon, early afternoon, we've seen that the price jumped, and right now it is staying resisted at the bottom of the previously broken major trend line, rising trend line, so that this could act as a resistance. So if price were to be resisted successfully right here, then we can expect the price to resume depreciation. All right, and again, just like the euro against US dollar, if you are afraid of a further retracement and you want to sell right now, all right, again, just in this scenario, 15-minute chart, I will take this as the wave 51 plus about another 51 pips, added about 20 pips. That will give me 75.88.87 to set my stop loss. I think that will be a much reasonable and conservative stop loss to be set. If we go to sell, and we do know that Reserve Bank of Australia may cut interest in August, that will definitely cause the Aussie against US dollar to depreciate further. At the same time, anticipating the US dollar to strengthen further. Really hope to hear some hawkish statement from the FOMC on the Thursday 2 a.m. Alright, so that's for Aussie against the US dollar. Since I have a little bit of time, let's maybe talk about the pound against the US dollar. Let's see, 4 hourly charts. Now, it's still going pretty much in a consolidation manner. Not really seeing any clear signal, clear trend, but in any case, on the fundamental level, we definitely still expect the pound to depreciate further in any case, because first we have the Brexit that has already caused a lot of uncertainties. Secondly, again, Bank of England may be cutting rate in August. We have finally have one MPC members voting to cut rates. So going forward into the month of August, we may start to see the pound depreciate on bets on the Bank of England may cut interest rates, stuff like that. All right, so maybe you want to just take note of this trend line. I mean, this is the only trend I can pretty much plot. All right, right now the price has went down, went to consolidation. It may jump a little bit further to this level before it starts to resume a depreciation. So maybe into the 15-minute chart, we can measure the retracement from here to the top, right? Well, exactly right here, right? The appreciation, or you call it a major retracement, exactly ends at the trend line, at the falling trend line. So as the price reaches here, that will be a really good chance to go for a sell. If you just can't wait for the price to appreciate, you're afraid that it won't go back to this level, it will start to fall, then set a stop loss above this level. You have to do it that way. And for the pound against US dollar, I would recommend to add additional 30 to 40 pips rather than just 20 pips. All right. Now that means to say you're going to hold about 112 stop loss, pips of stop loss. But of course, on the downside, we are looking at much lower, not just back to the bottom, but even lower than the 1.28 as per se. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow.